Welcome you guys to Van Life. So my friend Robin and I are traveling to Tofino today. We just took the ferry from Vancouver over to Nanaimo. It was about a 1.5 hour ferry. We've arrived here and now we have a 3-hour drive up to Tofino. And this is actually my first time ever going to Tofino, so I'm super excited. I've heard such amazing things. So get ready for a really fun vlog series. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get this started. Welcome you guys to the town of Coombs. So this is actually a stop about 20 minutes from Nanaimo on your way to Tofino, and it is the funkiest little town I have ever seen in my entire life, and I'm going to show you guys why. But yeah, you guys, this is Coombs. So lots of fun things to come and stop off and see. They have something called a Fenji boutique. And then we have an espresso bar that has some teas over there. I feel like we don't need any more coffee, but yeah, I'm loving this. So we've come inside the little store area, and you guys, this totally reminds me of Bali. And there's actually all the stuff they sell in this area in Bali called Ubud. They have a whole bunch of wood carvings, and also they have, I'm just gonna show you, bottle openers in a very peculiar shape, which also they have in Bali. So yeah, this store totally reminds me of somewhere you would see over there, and it's just so unique. I'm honestly loving this first stop on our adventure, and yeah, let me know if you guys have ever been here yourself. You guys, this is like a grocery store on steroids. I have never seen so many unique products in my entire life, and it just goes on and on and on and on. I'm about to reveal to you the best part of all in Coombs. Do you guys see behind me here? There's grass on this roof. You know what's on the roof? I'm going to show you right now. And the bells of the church, which aren't actually bells. I just saw speakers. Oh, it plays a song. And as you can see, the goats are just chilling on the roof. Well, there's no goats now, but he was there. Quick grocery store haul. Got some stuffed jalapenos with feta. These are my favorite things ever, and they're kind of hard to find sometimes. Robin got like 10,000 tubs of mustard, which we'll use for dinner tonight. But we have about 2.5 hours left until we get to Tofino, so we got to get driving before it gets dark. Alright you guys, welcome to Tofino. We have officially made it to our campground where we are going to be staying the next 2 nights here, and I'm really excited. The beach is this way, so we're going to go check that out. The sun, I think, just set, so it's the perfect time of day to head down there and view the beach for the very first time, which I'm so excited about because I've never been to Tofino, like I said. So this is all very new and exciting. And we've also noticed there's a ton of vans here. So seems like van life has become a very popular thing. We have made it down to the beach. It is beautiful here. One thing though is it's quite busy, which I wasn't really expecting, but a lot of the beaches are actually closed right now. This is one of the few ones that are open. So everyone's kind of come here to hang out. People have chairs and have fires going on, which I don't think you're technically allowed to fire on the beach, but I don't know. But yeah, Tofino is definitely known for being very misty and beautiful. And as you can see, it is just that. Alright, you guys, headed to go officially set up our campsite. Our campsite comes with a friend. Watch out, you're gonna get hit by a car. Watch out, watch out. No, 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 don't. You're gonna get hit by a car, baby. No. Okay, no. I don't know who's talking. No. Stop. Alright, you guys, welcome to our campsite. It is obviously dark now. The sun has set, but we're gonna get our stuff set up, start a fire, get some dinner, and be prepared for our first night in the wilderness. Like I said, the campsite is actually quite busy right now, so there's lots of different people around, so it feels somewhat remote. for the most part. We still kind of have our own little sections, and we obviously have a beautiful view of the ocean, which I will show you guys tomorrow. And I'm going to do a full van tour and all of that once the sun goes up. But yeah, I'm quite hungry, so we're going to eat. So we've come here to acquire some firewood, but we're a little worried. We think the office might be closed, which would not be ideal because I also wanted some chips. Not as important, but oh, it says the office hours. What time is it? What day is it today? Oh, no, 5.
Oh my gosh.
No checking in for us.
Yeah.
And no firewood. Well, that's gonna be cold.
Yeah.
We could go find some firewood in the forest.
I mean, honestly. Okay.
Problemo one. Robin and I are trying to find firewood. We found a log.
This is actually good because they light faster.
Okay, perfect. All right, guys. We have acquired 1 log.
Singular log.
Also, some people here have pretty sweet little setups. Yeah, it's a lot fancier.
And even like that burnt one is good too. Like they all like have more light. Sure will be good.
Okay, we're gonna try and set up a tarp. I don't know how this is gonna go. So far, so okay. I'm actually proud of us of what we've accomplished thus far. We're like, how many travel vloggers does it take to pitch a tarp? Apparently just 2. Oh wow, look at this. We have our own little compound.
I like it.
All right, so this is kind of an overview of where we're going to be sleeping. Obviously, the bed's not set up yet, but it's really like a stacked minivan. So yeah, basically the bed's like here. I'm going to show you guys all this tomorrow in the next vlog. But yeah, we're going to set this up. We need to source more firewood. So we're going to try and ask our next door neighbors for that now that we have our beautiful outside set up. Oh, look at that. All little trinkets.
A little trinket. A little trinket for you.
What is that?
It's like hanging lights, like they light up.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. So we're in need of more lights. We don't want to keep this light on in the car. And we have 1 headlamp, but I remembered that I actually have fairy lights. So we're gonna pop these bad boys on and look at that shine. All right, on to the important part. I brought some Merlot. I'm gonna be honest, I'm actually kind of happy that our next door neighbors are close to us, because I feel like if we were in the middle of nowhere, I'd be a little freaked out because there's a lot of signs saying watch out for bears and all of that, and yeah, that's not how I plan on going, so you know. Anyways, you guys, I knew these would come in handy. I had actually bought them for a photo shoot because these look really cool when the sun's going down. But oh my gosh, perfect. Love this. It's like Christmas in October.
It's been like we got here and I was like, I'm dying of starvation.
I was saying this looks like the start of a horror movie.
It literally
If there wasn't people next to us, I'd be like, I don't like this.
I know. No, we'll be good. We'll be good.
This is our dinner situation. What are we cooking?
We have, let me show you, we have vegan sausages.
Amazing.
And we have all sorts of veggies that we're going to grill and wine. So
a true feast.
Yeah, I have the olive oil here, so we're gonna olive oil them, salt and pepper them, make them sexy, the usual. There we go. Now we have the salt.
Camping cooking show.
Yeah. It's my favorite thing to do is have a cooking show. It's my dream. Pepper, oh, and I forgot the onion. We're gonna do onion too.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see.
So I found a nice little place for the fairy lights. I got them dangling from here. I don't know how long that's gonna stay, but for the time being, we have some light. All right, you guys, first taste test of the food. I was gonna say that we cooked. I didn't participate in this, but this looks really good. Oh my gosh.
You're like,
No, this looks really good. You did a good job. Vegan hot dogs. Oh, good. Hot.
I said I haven't actually tried that brand before, so I have no idea if it's good.
Okay. Next on the agenda of Laura's Darkness vlog, we're gonna make a fire. Also dessert. We love that. Some wine, some chocolate. I'm hoping the fire will work out. We did happen to get a few logs from campsites that people had already left, and it's kind of like half burned. So we might have a fire for like 5 minutes, but you know, before we go to bed, that might be kind of nice. And yeah, guys, what I'm also loving is that it's actually not cold at all. I was kind of expecting it to be quite cold because camping typically is freezing at night, but it's a really nice temperature.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the little ember things at the bottom like that. You call in the paper. It was very...
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth.
I'm going to be really excited if this works.
I almost want to put 2 fire starters. I think I should.
Which one's the fire starter?
The...
Wait, guys. I think this log's catching a fire. Oh my goodness. Wait. No guarantees yet. I've learned from Neck Tesla you can never be too hopeful.
So we have 1 fire starter in there, and I'm just going to say F it and like throw another because, like, you know, this wood is actually quite wet. Whoops, that was a really bad idea.
So we got a successful fire going. However, because we don't have many logs, I don't think this thing is long for the world. But for the time being, we're gonna get some heat on our feet. Okay guys, so we're just setting up our area right now. So we added a blackout curtain thing, and now we're adding an insulator. And then we also do that to our windows as well. I feel like we're moving into our car. These are the things that go on the side of the window. So we have a blackout and then an insulator. Keep the heat in. Which one's on the outside?
The black one on the outside.
Oh.
So do that one first. Yeah, and then just kind of like shove it so it stays.
Oh, look at that. Does this stay?
Yeah. I don't know. That one was tricky. I remember I did that one last time, and it was like not being super easy about it. I don't know. Just like do your best.
Okay, there we go. Robin asked me if I could hold her machete. I said, yes. Yes, I can. Put that right there. Alright, so it's bed,
Okay.
basically.
I'm
excited to see how this works.
So basically,
Wow.
might even be a bit far.
And we have our bed for the night. And with that, I'm going to end off today's vlog. If you guys want to see the full van tour, you can see that in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
'Cause the problem is I love you.